stuff you're gonna see that's gonna make it hard to smile in the future. But through whatever you see, through all the rain and the pain, you gotta keep your sense of humor. You gotta be able to smile through all this. Just keep your head up. Yeah.
Our lifestyles be close gaps, addicted to fatal attractions. Pictures and actions be played back in the midst of mashing. No fairy tales for this young black male. Some see me stranded in this land of hell, jail and crack. Same hustles and hardly think of culture or the repercussions while busting on backstabbing vultures. Selling my soul for material wishes, fast cars and wishing I lived my life a legend, immortalized the bitches. Watch that tears say yo sympathy. My childhood years were spent burying my peers in the cemetery. Here's a message to the newborns waiting to breathe. If you believe, then you can achieve. Just look at me. Against all odds, the life is hard, but carry on. Living in the projects, broke with no lights on. To all the seas that follow me, protect your essence. Grow with less, but you're still precious. Just smell from in there. The cops come arrest me in the evening. Best believe they coming for my dogs in the morning. If you believe in me, can achieve, can achieve. Selling my soul for fast cars. Trying to find Jehovah to help me, somebody save me. The best revenge. If you believe for me, I'll ride the beat till I burn. Listen to me and borrow your kids from the lessons I learned. And in turn, I'm hostile, guess you could call me antisocial. Niggas shaking like they caught the Holy Ghost. When I approach them, try to politic before I smoke them. Like Sun Tzu, niggas doing to these stitches before it's done to you. And if the cops come arrest me in the evening, best believe they coming for my dogs in the morning. And if I die by slow, the death of a true thug, tell me when my niggas moment getting blown out. How I watch me murder the bird before we testify strikes. Walking close to my third, I live a troubled life. And if you dream, be a part of my team. From Long Beach to Queens, drug dealers to ex-fiends. Keep your eyes on the prize, nigga, watch for busters. Either heaven or jail, it's still hell for the hustler. The cops come arrest me in the evening. Best believe they coming for my dogs in the morning. If you believe in me, can achieve. Selling my soul for fast cars. Trying to find Jehovah to help me, somebody save me. The best revenge. Living carefree till I'm buried. And if they dare me, I'm busting them niggas until they scurry. I'm clearly a man of military needs. And my artillery watching over me through every murder scene. From adolescence to my early teens, thought we was gonna die. Selling dope to all the fiends. At times I wanna cry, and still we try to change the past in vain. Never knowing if this game will last. Feeling the shame of cocaine, the product of the devil. Come arrest me in the evening. Best believe they coming for my dogs in the morning. The cops come arrest me in the evening. Best believe they coming for my dogs in the morning. Holla if you hear me. Here we go, turn it up, let it start. From block to block, we snatching hearts and jacking marks. And the punk police can't fade me, and maybe we can have peace someday, B. But right now I got my mind set up, looking down the barrel of my gun. Get up, cause it's time to make the payback fat. To my brothers on the block, better stay strapped. Black, and accept no substitutes. I bring truth to the youth, tear the roof of the whole school. Oh no, I won't turn the other cheek. In case you can't see this, I'll return the other week. Now we got him in the smash, blast. How long will it last? Till the pro get more cash. Until then, raise up. So my young black males blaze up. Like some stress test. I'm giving, but be thankful that you're living blessed. Much love to my brothers in the pen. See you when I free you, if not when they shut me in. Once again, it's an all-out scrap. Keep your hands in your gap. Now your boys watch your back. Cause in the alleys out in Cali, I'ma tell ya. Mess with the best and the best couldn't help you. Scream if you feel me. See it clearly. You're too near me. Holla if you hear me. Holla if you hear me. Holla if you hear me. your fist like this. Holla if you hear me. If you're pissed to the sellouts living it up, one way or another you be giving it up. I guess cause I'm black born, I'm supposed to say peace, sing songs and get capped on. But it's time for a new plan. Bam! I'll be swinging like a one-man clan. Here we go, turn it up, don't stop. Tell my homies on the block getting dropped by cops. I'm still around for ya, keeping my sound on the ground for ya. And I'ma throw a change up. Square ain't you never put my name up. Now my homies in the back streets can feel me when they're rolling in their fat cheeks. This ain't just a rap song, a black song, telling all my brothers get they strap on and look for me in the struggle, hustling to other brothers' trouble. Holla if you hear me. Holla if you hear me. You're too near me, see it clearly. Holla if you hear me. Will I quit? They claim that I'm violent, but still I kick. Representing, never give up on a good thing. Wouldn't stop it if we could, it's a hood thing. And now I'm like a major threat, cause I remind you of the things you were made to forget. Bring the noise to all my boys, know the real from the buses and the decoys. And if you hustle like a real G, pump your fists if you feel me, holla if you hear me. Learn to survive in the non-trade. I make rhyme pay, others make crime pay. Whatever it takes to live and stand, cause nobody else will give a damn. So we live like cage beasts, waiting for the day to let the rage free. Steal me till they kill me. I love it when they fear me. Holla if you hear 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 me. You're too near me, see it clearly. Holla if you hear me. You're too near me, see it clearly. Holla if you hear me. You're too near me, see it clearly. Holla if you hear me. You're too near me, see it clearly. Holla if you hear me. I love it when they fear me. Holla if you hear me. I love it when they fear me. Holla if you hear me.
Put the strap down and down and down. Bullets in your brain, now strapped up. Send me all the steady, I ain't getting what. Put me on the map, I'm trapping now. Never put the strap down and down and down. Bullets in your brain, now strapped up. Send me all the steady, I ain't getting what. Put me on the map, I'm trapping now. Never put the strap down. Slow. Look
it, I'll bleed it. Geeking off a perkin, bitch, I'm feeling like a demon. Bitch, I came in, drifting on the pavement. Pass me the stainless, I'm mask off, faceless. Rider, buster, you need it, I'll bleed it. Geeking off a perkin, bitch, I'm feeling like a demon. Bitch, I came in, drifting on the pavement. Pass me the stainless, I'm mask off, faceless. Fuck it up, bitches fuck with me like a double cup. Pouring up, pull up to the scene with a double dutch. Buckle up, racing on the street with a muscle front. Huddle up, fucking with my team, y'all be coming up. Ooh, none of these bitches ever heard about you. Zooming through the block with the murdered out coupe. Bulling with the Glock, I could do without you. Running with the clock, they forgot about you. Get rock, I'm tight with your bitch like a ziplock. Wristwatch, icy with the drip when it's hit top. Breath top, yeah, I caught a body with a headshot. Guess not, I'm a chili pepper, bitch, I'm red hot. Rider, buster, you need it, I'll bleed it. Geeking off a perkin, bitch, I'm feeling like a demon. Bitch, I came in, drifting on the pavement. Pass me the stainless, I'm mask off, faceless. Rider, buster, you need it, I'll bleed it. Geeking off a perkin, bitch, I'm feeling like a demon. Bitch, I came in, drifting on the pavement.
Are now tuned in to 66.6 KILL radio.
Fucking place me out, need you motherfuckers. I'ma get it on my own before I get on your production. Cause we fucking pieces of shit don't show no motherfucking love to me. I see right through your guys, you trying hard, but you can't run from me. You steady here, but you won't come inside. You see me and you feel the thoughts inside of your own fucking mind. You see me steady here, but you won't come inside. You see me and you feel the thoughts inside of your own fucking mind. Balance me between the beams while I'm just slipping through the steams. Alive but don't know what it means. My mind is not producing dreams. Production scenes across the seas. American soldiers on the streets. And I cannot help but to see I live the opposite of free. You standing here but you won't come inside. You see me and you feel the thoughts inside of your own fucking mind. You see me standing here but I'ma let you die. You'll never fucking hear from me until the dust consume your life. Freaks.
From the Casio to the Rollie, no brands to the Stony. From the bus to the Porsche, so can't you ever tell the nigga about sauce? Nah, from the Casio to the Rollie, wearing no brands to the Stony. From the bus to the Porsche, so can't you ever tell the nigga about sauce? Thank God for the change, amen. Man, so much shit has changed, yeah. I thank God for helping us get here. Without you, I swear I'll be nowhere. Thank God for the change, amen. Man, so much shit has changed, yeah. I thank God for helping us get here. Without you, I swear I'll be nowhere. Came to the country and my mom was homeless. That's why I grind so hard in case you didn't notice. So I had to focus, camera lights and showbiz. Stacking bread like Hovis, you already know this. I'm grinding for the big fat checks, no change. I'm about to put my mama in a whip and it's arranged. The only time I focused on the chicken when she giving a nigga the good brain. Mommy came in from Niger to London. She don't get easy where she come from. She came here to live a better life. That's why I'm married to the money, that's my fucking wife. Ain't no one in the room that can test me. I'm married to the money, that's my bestie. I do the grind for my mama. That's why I stacked a pound of euros and $1, yeah. Said the weather's bipolar, how the streets only get colder. I'm all getting older, but some don't make it like soldiers now. All these gangs are beefing, what over? I can't wait till this beef thing is over, because your mom didn't come here to see us on the road, and no one gives a fuck about the tools you hold. If that's what you wanted, you should've said back then, and bro, I guarantee she would've left for you back home, yeah. Sweet mother, I no go forget you for all the suffer that you suffer for me. Over time you working 9 to 9 for supper for me, but things have changed and you deserve something from me. And nothing paying back your mama is the biggest respect. I overroll on the whip, bro, that's a way bigger flex. Just to see your mama smiling with a watch full of diamonds. What she want, you know I'm buying, yeah, I'm buying, yeah. Thank God for the change, oh man, so much shit has changed, yeah. I thank God for helping us get here. Without you, I swear I'll be nowhere. Thank God for the change, oh man, so much shit has changed, yeah. I thank God for helping us get here. Without you, I swear I'll be nowhere. From ever to the charts, man, it's crazy how the shit changed. Used to ride the bus and now I'm riding in a big range. We ain't never static, fully automatic, always moving forward. You will never see the gear change skirt. Gucci on my collar and my shoe on my shirt. Bad beat like Rihanna when she work. She listen when I tell her take it off, cause she know my pocket's fatter than Charlie's sloth. Chubby, now the ladies love me. Chubby, now these niggas wanna be my body. Chubby, now you find me funny. Tell your tubby boy about me, go and suck your mommy. The racks got bigger and so did the boobies. Give me about a year, you'll see me in the movies. Give me about a year, you'll see me throwing blue cheese on 5-star strippers, not just any groupies. How lovely. Shout out to the fans on YouTube that's a part of me. I wanna shout out to my brothers and my mommy. I wanna shout out to the Lord that's above me. Now I'm whipping in the German, what a dream come true. And I didn't do it on my own, man, it's all thanks to you guys. My mom gonna grind so hard and be successful that my greatness gonna make you cry. Cause you came in from Niger to London. You don't get easy where you come from. You came in to live a better life. That's why I'm married to the money, that's my fucking wife. Ain't no one in the room that can test me. I'm married to the money, that's my bestie. I do the grind for your mama. That's why I start upon the euros and the dollars. Thank God for the change, oh man, so much shit has changed, yeah. I thank God for helping us get here. Without you, I swear I'll be nowhere. Thank God for the change, oh man, so much shit has changed, yeah. I thank God for helping us get here. Without you, I swear I'll be nowhere.
Taylor about the fucking flex.
I don't know if I'm focused. I just had a drink, it was potent. Then I went and wrote this like, oh shit. I be wavy like the oceans, I'm coasting. Yeah. What you mad, you look hopeless. Pouring up a drink, more like pouring up emotions. I'm putting down the open, I'm about to go in, yeah. I'm about to go in, yeah. I woke up and looked myself in the face. Said everything and everything's gonna be okay. You ain't gotta stress it, just go on with your ways. I ain't worried about what anybody has to say. Man, I've been chillin' writing raps today, but this shit sits on my phone, it's kinda driving me insane. Worth ethic, it needed change. These raps were getting plain, oh no. I just had to switch my flow, here it goes. Tuck it and roll it, I light it and then I smoke it. Enhances, it gets me going, I'm loving the way I'm flowing. But all these raps just get thrown away. I don't know why the feeling tends to go away. Used to feel it like a realist, that's on Mary Jane. See the vision, yeah, I built it, and I ain't done with this project. I just started building the greatest building the buildings.